fuselage, wings. What about you? Let's start with this is a nose. Okay, this is a proper blade, and this is the total area. Okay, what about this one? Cockpit. So cockpit is a place where pilots are being operated. Okay, with the communication given by from there, the messages can be received by the co-pilot. He can transfer it to the pilot. Okay. Then what are the parts we have told that wings become inside. Okay. Okay, the fan of wing is 10 meter. That is also 10 meter. What is the total span? 20 meter. Okay. Okay, it's a beam, and we have a support. Don't sit there, stand. Yeah. Whether it is fixed or even fixed. So one support, one end is fixed, another one is. What about the another end? When it is being supported, so it is a cantilever beam. Okay, it's cantilever beam. Now only we have studied solid mechanics. One is free, and is fixed. So you have the number of reactions here. What are the number of reactions? Whether you have a movement in the upward direction, in the horizontal direction, or rotation movement. So all the three things will be arrested. So there is no movement. So you have reactions at all. Which one is the major area? That is a two-seat aircraft. Okay, only up to the cabin to the aircraft. You consider an imaginary aircraft. Okay, there is a like a cabin is there. After that, fuselage in which more number of passengers. So number of passengers will be 200, 300, 400. As well as cargo, it means the luggage is being carried out. So that is called a fuselage. Okay. Next thing is the whole weight of the aircraft being supported by what? The whole weight of the aircraft being supported by what? You just see here itself. It is a conventional aircraft, Cessna Aircraft. Okay. The total weight is being carried out by what? Just see here itself. Now my weight is being carried out by my head only. So my point of view is this is the support. Okay? Landing gear is the support. Okay, it takes care of the whole weight of the Cessna aircraft. Okay, and what are the things to be considered for material selection for the landing? Can you tell me? What are the different parameters can be considered? Okay, first, okay, while take off, this landing gear will be directed towards inside. While landing, what happens? It will become out of the direction. Then if wing touches, what happens? The scratches are get damaged, blast. Okay. If the what I think? It's a triad. This is attached with the triad attached with what? Landing gear. Okay. This touchdown point on the runway is known. Okay. And the not a tire there. Okay, it's better because tire uses time. But when it comes with an around 200 to 230 km per hour during landing. Okay, imagine the speed of the aircraft during landing itself. 200 to 230 km per hour. And it will touch on the runway. What happens? So going faster, it will touch down. Okay. What type of load is acting on that aircraft? Whether gradual load or sudden load, or is there any other load? Which which will give you more amount of impact. It's called impact load. Okay, so it has to take care of the impact load, not suddenly appear. Impact load will give you more amount of stress. So the material should be to withstand the impact load. Again, you have to consider the materials. That is very much important. Nowadays we are considering that what type of material used in the aircraft. If aircraft is lighter, based on the weight, which one is positive side? If I am having a bike which is about say 100 kilos, okay, another bike is somebody someone sharing, he has around 4 times my weight, which is 400 kilograms. I am using petrol for 1 liter. It takes us around 40 kilometers. 1 liter I can 40 kilometers I can go for 1 liter of petrol. The same thing will be reflected on bike also. By bike having 100 kg. This having this 400 kg. Whether more amount of fuel is needed for the same distance to be covered? No. Okay. So based on the weight also, fuel consumption is very much important parameter. If weight is less, fuel consumption is less. Okay. So that's a big factor. So let's move on to the other. Okay. So right, this is the main area. So impact load is a very important thing. The material. What are the things we are having a hard zone? This is a hard zone here. This is a hard zone. That means hard means what? The temperature is very higher. There. Very fine engine. Okay, in engine you have a number of strokes now you are studying. Okay. The combustion chamber is there in which you have a more amount of that is going to turbine. Okay, so turbine will have more amount of heat injection. Okay, it has more amount of temperature. So for that, which one is very much important parameter to consider. So we use the same material like aluminum. Why? Melting point is like so it will melt. Then we have to select the material accordingly. Which one has having more amount of temperature resistance. Temperature resistance materials like titanium or iridium or chromium alloy spots. Okay, we have to go for alloy spots which will have more amount of temperature resistance. Okay, either we have to select the material also. And whenever there are some engine failure happens. Okay. Otherwise, something maintenance product. If you look on the checks, there are number of checks are there. If you have a single one, okay, simple one you are using, what happens? There will be a huge deviation. Okay, so those are things we have to consider. We have studied like when number of parts are available. What are the parts in the wings itself? So here you have what is this one? So you have flap, aileron, the wings here. Okay, this main primary control surface. Primary control surface. Okay, so you have to roll the aircraft to manual. So in the roll, then it will be pitch up and down. Then flying is okay. You go to self, you are going to change the direction. So for that, daily you have rudder, flying. Okay. Here you have a aileron. So aileron about the fuselage it will take a roll. Okay, roll means the fuselage itself turns some amount of angle. Okay. To left side or right side. So you will go like that. Like when you are going in a bike itself, then there is a turn, you are going faster. So like your body will turn also accordingly. Like that. Okay. Next thing is flap. What is the purpose of flap? Anyone? What is flapping wing? Why a bird is flapping his wing? To produce more amount of generate more amount of lift. The wing is there. Okay. By producing the flapping, it will create more amount of lift. So it's the purpose of flap is something that is a high lift thrust. Okay. Using that concept itself here. Okay. Then you can inside no, you have a propeller. Great. Okay, it will rotate. Whenever the engine is started on, it will rotate. But you should not, you should be very long distance, you should keep away. Okay, that's for safety point of view. What type of material it is? Here. It's aluminum. Aluminum. Generally it will not be aluminum. Then it will be either it will be very tight fitting or somewhat loose. So while it is in the ideal condition, it cannot move. So it will be tightly fitted. When engine is running, then only it will rotate. Tight fitted machine will run so that the engine will produce more amount of thrust. So that it will produce, and if it is producing, then it is rotating higher velocity, the thrust will be like that. It will be okay. So you have already studied all the things, but particularly how it is a wing. I want to know about the wing. You told no. What is the main purpose of wing? Stability. What is the main purpose of wing? Bird is there. Let's say take a crow. Let's take a crow. Okay. You just cut one feather. You just cut another feather. What happens? It can't fly. For that, wing is necessary. Okay. For the purpose of this wings are so that you have a flap is a structural part of an wing also. So that we can give a more amount of lift. Okay, this is the thing, manual skill. Okay, thank you for joining with us. For this Cessna point of view, we will discuss more amount of parameters. Okay, we will discuss in this class. Thank you.